Hello, are you tired of playing Little Company without mods? If you are, this video is for you because today I'm gonna show you the easiest tutorial ever to download it. Okay, let's begin. For the first thing, you need to download this app, Overwolf. You see it? You need to open browser and search Overwolf here, and you are clicking on the first link, Overwolf, on the first link. And you're gonna see App Store and you have option download. When you download it, you're going to open the app. When you open it, you have apps and option mods. Go to the all mods relate. When you click it, let me load for a second. You see this 4 option and you're going to download the Thunderstorm. When you download it, you press launcher open on desktop. When you open it, you're gonna see this, and this is the launcher. When you need to search Little Company. Here it is. When you search it, you're selected and you're gonna see only default, not this option. And on the default option, you're going to select profile and you're gonna see my mods 0, and you're going to get mods, and from here you can download every mod you want. This is the easy way. No, this is the hard way. The easy way is I can show you. Go to the Little Company again, and I can give you on the link in the description mod pack like this one that I'm showing now. If you want to open it, you download it and go to the import new file. When you do this, you go to the from file and you're gonna click it. I have this mod, that's why I'm gonna create a new one. And when you're creating 100%, you're waiting, and there it is. Now you're going to click it as default, to click the donkey code, select it, and you're gonna see you have 38 mods, and you can still add some more mods. And when you press mod, the game will start. This is the company prompt for the Little Company. You don't need to open it. You don't need to close it. It needs to be open every time, and the game will start automatically. And when the game starts, you can see. Wait. You can see this is the mod 1 because you have this, and you can change everything. This is my avatar. And yeah, you can change everything. And if you don't like the mod, if you don't like the mod 1 game, you just open the normal one from Steam, and when you open it, the mod will be gone. The mod will work only when you launch the game on this launcher. In the normally, the game will work normally. Press only and it's work. Yes, there is. You can see there is no mod and everything is working perfectly. Now get your fucking ass on the game and come to play my. If you like the video, come subscribe, and Bedrock, come to play with me, you mother bitch. Okay, bye bye.